Today we got Wingstop.
Let's eat Chick-fil-A. Add ranch, first bite. Extra pickles, add your chicken. Extra sauce, add the sauce. Mac and cheese, add your pickles. I love ranch recently. Mac and cheese, ranch. Extra pickles.
What's good, Jelly Fam? Today we're gonna be eating 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 Maruchans. Moo! I thought this was a pretty good appetizer. Mood. If you don't get the shrimp flavor, you're not doing it right. Mood. 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 Jelly Fam, I'm gonna go finish this with my Balkan breakfast. See ya.
Let's eat some Chipotle. I got the Chipotle honey chicken. I like how the chicken is sweet and has a spicy little kick. Red salsa is always the goat. Dorito sandwich. Y'all for real gotta try these with a honey chicken. The sweet and spiciness combo is just out of this world. This one's so loaded. This bite's about a schmack.
Eggs with a side of bulldog. First bite, bless. Egg. Kimchi. Last bite. Done. Okay. Bye, guys.
Hey y'all, we got chili cheese dogs today. Let's get right into it. Let me get this one. This one juicy. Oh, you see that? Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. Oh. And it's so crazy because I've always loved chili dogs. I literally always would make them before they start going viral. But I never used to put the nacho cheese and the sour cream. Naisha, you did your thing with that one. You did your thing. Oh. This is 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. My mama snapped on that chili. This one got a lot of chili on it. Ooh. Oh gosh. This so big bag. Okay. Love y'all.
That pepper is like raw. Ooh, that looks good. I just know this is the biggest stuff in my teeth. Well, never ever. Should even ice cream with chopsticks. Do it. It hurts.
I ordered a salad from American Deli, y'all, and I'm so mad. Look what they gave me, y'all. I ordered a salad, mind you. They gave me a freaking 5-piece wing and Phillies combo, y'all. They gave me extra hot lemon pepper sprinkles, y'all. They put extra lemon pepper on that motherfucker. And some fries that it looked like somebody was eating while they was driving. Like, what the hell? And then I ordered a water. They gave me some pink drink that's half drunk. Like, oh my gosh. I wanted a salad, y'all. I did not want this. You know what? I know we're in a recession, so I can't waste this food. Like, it's not good to waste food. So I'm guess I'm gonna eat it because it do got a little bit greens, but like, oh, I'm aggravated, y'all. Let me eat my food. Like, this ain't even my food. I'm gonna eat whoever food this is, y'all. At least the jackass got some ranch. Like, at least that's just the bare minimum since I gotta eat this. All right, man. Let's eat a wing, man. I'm so aggravated. Like, all these lemon pepper sprinkles. I'm supposed to be on the diet. Like, summer coming up, yo. Like, I guess it's alright. Yeah, it's alright. It ain't nothing special. Like, calling me in the middle of my mukbang that was supposed to be a salad. Like, let me try the fucking Philly cheesesteak, yo. Nasty ass shit. Like, it's supposed to be a salad, but I'm just saying I like this lettuce. I guess like a salad would have been better, but I guess it's a do. I guess my driver was thirsty. He drunk half of my motherfucking juice, but let me try it, y'all. It's good, but I wish it was water. Bye, y'all. This shit was nasty. I want my salad. I'm calling DoorDash.
Giant Reese's Pieces cup mukbang. I've just been to Hershey's World and filled my own giant cup. Inside his pieces, Reese's pretzels, potato chips, chocolate chips, peanut butter sauce, and chocolate sauce. I'm gonna use it out. This is probably a really bad idea. What the hell?
Burger King mukbang.
crab legs, lobster tails, and pickles. And I am about to dig in. I am so excited to eat this. I don't even have no bev. I haven't ate all day, so. Let's try the lobster tail. I didn't think it was gonna be this good. Yes, I can. Mm. 10 out of 10.